Establishing a console connection with your device.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to learn how to establish a console connection with your device. Whether you're trying to troubleshoot a device or simply want to configure it, a console connection can be a powerful tool in your tech toolkit.
What is a console connection?
A console connection is a direct link between your computer and a device, allowing you to interact with it directly. This is useful for setting up, managing, or troubleshooting your device, especially when network access isn't available. The most common way to establish a console connection is through a -232 serial connection, but some devices might support other methods, like USB.
What do I need to establish a console connection?
To establish a console connection, you'll need 1. A computer with a terminal emulation program installed. This could be Hyperterminal or PuTTY if you're using Windows, or Terminal if you're using macOS. 2. A console cable. This is typically an RS-232 serial to RJ45 cable, but the exact type of cable depends on the device and the computer. You might also need an adapter if your computer doesn't have a compatible port. 3. The device you want to connect to. Remember, always ensure you have the right console cable for your device and computer.
How do I connect the console cable?
The exact steps can vary depending on your device and computer, but here is a general process. 1. Turn off your device. This is to prevent any electrical damage. 2. Connect the console cable. One end goes into the console port of your device, often marked as console or admin, and the other end goes into the appropriate port on your computer. 3. Turn your device back on.
How do I establish the console connection?
Once you've connected the console cable, you can establish the console connection. 1. Open your terminal emulation program on your computer. 2. Configure the connection. This typically involves setting the correct COM port, boot rate, usually 9600, data bits, usually 8, parity, usually none, stop bits, usually 1, and flow control, usually none. Check your device's documentation for the exact settings. 3. Open the connection. If everything is set up correctly, you should see output from your device on your terminal emulation program. And that's it. You've successfully established a console connection with your device. Now you can interact with your device directly, which can be incredibly useful for managing and troubleshooting it. Remember to always follow safety guidelines when working with physical hardware, and happy tinkering!